You know that le is used a lot for past tense, but it's not the only way to use it. Today, I'm going to show you how to use le for future tense with example conversations. So you will see that le itself is not necessarily for something that happened in the past. Instead, the point of le is to indicate a completion of an action. So it could be for past tense, for future tense, or hypothetical sentences. Okay, first conversation, A says, 我们去超市吧。Let's go to the supermarket. 我们去超市吧。And B says, 吃了饭再去吧。How about we go after dinner? 吃了饭再去吧。You see, we put 了 after 吃 to eat. To say after dinner, that is when the action of eating dinner is completed. It's not for past tense because they haven't eaten yet. It's for an act in the future. But we can use 了 to indicate the completion of the action. 吃了饭再去吧。Okay, let's read the conversation again. 我们去超市吧。吃了饭再去吧。Okay, faster. 我们去超市吧。吃了饭再去吧。Okay, another example is a conversation between a father and a son. The son says, 爸爸，我想要一个新手机。Dad, I want a new cell phone. 爸爸，我想要一个新手机。And the father says, 我月底发了工资，就给你买。I will buy it for you after I get paid at the end of the month. 我月底发了工资，就给你买。You see, again, we put 了 after the verb 发 of 发工资 to get paid. The dad hasn't been paid yet. He's talking about something is going to happen in the future, the act of being paid. But he can use 了 to say or to express after, as in here, the act of getting paid. 我月底发了工资，就给你买。Okay, let's read the conversation again. The son says, 爸爸，我想要一个新手机。And dad says, 我月底发了工资，就给你买。Faster. 爸爸，我想要一个新手机。我月底发了工资，就给你买。Okay, next conversation. Imagine this scenario. Your friend arranged a blind date for you, and you are asking your friend to tell you something about the person you're going to meet. So you ask, 他人怎么样? What is he or she like? 他人怎么样? And your friend answers, 你见了就知道了. You will know after you see or meet him or her. 你见了就知道了. You see here we put 了 after 见 to meet and after 知道 to know. To describe the situation in the future, therefore, after you already see or meet him or her, you already know the answer to the question you are asking your friend. 你见了就知道了. 你见了就知道了. Okay, let's read the conversation again. You ask, 他人怎么样? And your friend says, 你见了就知道了. Okay, faster. 他人怎么样? 你见了就知道了. Okay, a quick update of our study tools. Now the flashcards are available from HSK 1 up to HSK 5 with colorful, fun pictures, useful example sentences, very portable to carry around. I'm sure you will love it. Check the link in the description box or in the comment section. Okay, next context. I'm sure everyone is very familiar with this. Let's say you're going to see a friend off at the airport. Before you separate, your friend says, 谢谢你来送我. Thanks for coming to see me off. 谢谢你来送我. And you say, 一路顺风. 到了给我发信息. Have a nice trip. Text me when you arrive. So 一路顺风 is a common expression when you see someone off. Have a nice trip. 一路顺风 and 到了给我发信息. You see, we put了 after 到 to arrive to express the completion of the action. That is the action of arriving. The completed action is the arrival. Okay, lastly, let's do a quiz. Your turn now. Try to say this sentence using le to express a completed action. How would you say, if you won $5 million in the lottery, what would you do with it? Take your time to think about it. Right, the answer is, 如果你中了500万美元彩票，你会怎么花？ Again, 如果你中了500万美元彩票，你会怎么花？ Okay, we put 了 after the verb 中 of 中彩票 to win a lottery. 中彩票. So we put 了 after 中 to indicate a completed action in the future. Okay, I hope you said it correctly. I'm going to read it one more time. 如果你中了500万美元彩票，你会怎么花？ What? One more time? Okay, let's do it faster. 如果你中了500万美元彩票，你会怎么花？ Okay, I'm sure now you already got it quite clearly. 了 is not only for past tense. It could be for future tense or hypothetical sentences like the last sentence we said. So the point of 了 is to indicate a completion of an action, not necessarily exclusively for past tense. Keep it in mind. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Anything you want to share with us, leave it in the comment section. I would love to read and communicate with you guys. 好，谢谢你收看我的视频，我们下次再见，再见。